yeah, and then we went past it, and that's when the photographer took some photos, and we sent all the people holding the signs up, and yeah, pretty heavy thing to see, and children and all that. And then when we seen the signs held up, we sort of, the sign said, please help, we are Sri Lankan refugees. And then another mate of mine, Christian Barton, he's on a boat called Samudra Biru, he actually went over. They gave him a letter. Dear sir, we are Sri Lankan refugees coming from India. We are, I think it's like the numbers sort of brushed out, but I think it says 48 people in this boat, including babies, children and elders, disabled person. When we are going to Christmas Island starting, I think it says the 7th of the 8th, 2012, our engine diesel have finished. Then we stay on the international sea for 10 days. After that, we met a fishing boat yesterday early morning, and they helped to come here. All of us were affected by the war. So please, sir, we kindly ask you to send us off to Australia. So please give us 2,000 litres of diesel. Please give us drinking water. Please help us to go to Christmas Island. Sir, we will pay for the diesel cost, please. Kindly accept our request and solve our problem, Sri Lankan refugees. But yeah, I just rung the Indo authorities, and they all seemed pretty serious and professional in the way they handled it. So we'll see how it goes. Now that the Indonesian authorities are onto them, they'll probably get, I was talking to my wife, she's Indonesian this morning, and she said they'll probably get taken to an immigration centre somewhere here and processed and then sent back home.